I'm first going to show you how to create a Wix Lightbox, which is their version of a pop-up menu, and then show you how to add said menu to different pages on your Wix website. So to create a Wix Lightbox, click on the plus button on the left-hand side panel to add elements, and then click on Interactive. Under this pop-up section, either select a welcome pop-up, subscribe pop-up, promotion pop-up, or a contact pop-up to customize. I'll select a welcome pop-up and select this first option over here. This will take you to the Wix pop-up mode. In order to edit this Wix pop-up, you can click on Manage Pop-up at the bottom, and then click on the three little dots next to it to access its settings. From here, you can change the name of your pop-up, as well as select whether you want to automatically display said pop-up on pages or not. If you select Yes, you can then choose which pages it appears on by clicking on Choose a Page from this menu over here. You can then click on all of the pages you want this pop-up to appear, and then X out of this pop-up over here on the right. You can then select the delay in seconds for the pop-up to appear when someone lands on your page. You can also select a pop-up scheduling option, which is when you choose when your visitors see this pop-up. If you click on Set Schedule, you can select a start date as well as an end date, a start time as well as an end time, in addition to a time zone. You can also click to clear scheduling if you don't want to add a pop-up schedule. If you wish, you can also link to the pop-up so that your pop-up is triggered by any button or link on your website. If you wish, you can also select how this pop-up closes, by either an X icon or a close button icon. And now you know how to show different pages in your pop-up menu on Wix. If you want to further learn how to customize said Wix Lightbox or Wix Popup, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.